In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color on all of your slides in Google Slides. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes to complete. Whether you want to give your presentation a more cohesive look or simply refresh its design, changing the background color can make a big difference. To begin, head over to Google Slides. You can type in the URL or search for Google Slides in your browser and you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Once there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Now that you're signed in, you can either open an existing presentation saved on your Google Drive or start fresh by selecting a blank presentation or choosing a template that suits your needs. If you're beginning with a new presentation, click on Blank Presentation to open a fresh set of slides. Once your presentation is open, look toward the top of the interface and click on the slide menu. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From here, select Change Background. A dialog box will appear where you'll see the background options, including color and image. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the color option. Click on color and you'll see several color options to apply to your slide background. You can choose from solid colors or try gradients for a more visually interesting effect. Gradients allow you to blend multiple colors, adding a dynamic look to your slides. Once you've selected a color or gradient you like, click on Add to Theme. This ensures that the background color is applied to every slide in the presentation, giving your slides a uniform and professional look with just one click. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color on all your slides in Google Slides. You can repeat this process as often as you like until you find the perfect look for your presentation. I hope you found this guide helpful and enjoy creating beautiful slides with your new background colors. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.